everyone. Say hi, LJ.
Hi.
Hi, Maithys. So we're gonna call our subscriber and viewers Maithys. How's that, Maithy? How's that sound?
Good.
Good. So where are we going today?
The showroom.
Yes. We're going to the showroom and we are going to pick out countertops, what else? Paint, color, and carpet, and cabinet for the details of the house. So join us and we'll see you later. Manager.
No, you were the manager.
Late na naman tayo, manager. Late na naman tayo, manager. Mapa-far out ka na niyan eh.
It's alright. We're the paying customers. So.
Wow!
Hello, Maithy friends and fam. Today's video is the part 3 of our series of our journey to Home Sweet Home. If you haven't seen the first and the second part, I would link it down below and you could see it on our channel. So just search for Maitha's Touch on your YouTube channel and you'll find all the video there. And just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That would help us grow our channel, please. And I want to thank you all for supporting. Please keep on watching so that the YouTube algorithm will notice us and will put our videos on top so we could get more subscriber and we could grow this channel. Anyway, our topic for today is about the process of buying a new house or property. Just a disclaimer, I'm no expert. I'm not a realtor agent or anything. I'm just a first-time home buyer. And I just want to share with you guys what we are going through right now, all the process. I'm trying to document it to share with you guys. I also want to mention that this process that I'll be sharing with you is for those who are buying property on new construction community. I've mentioned on my last video, while you are searching for a possible property, that you could apply for Pre Qualification so that you'll have an idea on how much is your budget gonna be. So after that, once you already have an idea, and then you will choose your house. You will choose the floor plan, of course, the price. I've also shown you the floor plan that we chose. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the next step after that. So after we picked the floor plan that we wanted, our mortgage lender will calculate all the expenses that we have to provide. So this is the things that you have to get ready with. They would verify your income, of course. So you're gonna need your earnings statements, your W-2 form, recent pay stub, and tax return for the past 2 years. And if you have an additional income, like if you have a side job or you have you're receiving Social Security benefits, or you have like veterans benefits, and then they're gonna verify if you have assets, and then your bank account for the last your checking and savings bank account for the last 2 to 3 months, and then of course your debts, if you have other loans like a car loan or other property, and your credit card bills, and then that's pretty much it. So okay, so now we are here. What comes after you choose your floor plan? Just a reminder that all the model house, they will present it para mahikayat kayo to buy one. Of course, you will see how beautiful all the furniture is there, the countertops and the backsplash, all the appliances. But picture it as a blank wall. Ang iisipin nyo, ang titignan ninyo ay yung layout and yung laki yung size nung mga rooms nung bahay. So, know the standards, because mostly yung mga model, ang mga naka-display doon ay mga upgrade yon. Yung options, yung upgrades, yun yung mga extra features na gugustuhin mo to have on your house when you move. For example, yung floor or yung paint, yun mga extra yon. Kasi yung basic lang, it's carpeted and then white paint lang siya. So, I'll show you guys the video in a little bit.
In your options and your personal details, you will sign a purchase agreement and they will start building your home sweet home.